Hello everyone, welcome to Scales Multimedia channel. Today we are going to review the newly launched Apple's iPhone. Please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done that. Like the video and leave a comment below to support this family. Let's begin. So today we have in our studio the new cheapest, $399. Second generation iPhone SE. The rebuild iPhone SE. Designed in the form of iPhone 8. With a new A13 chipset of iPhone 11. Display and design. The new iPhone SE comes with a full 4.7 Retina HD display and also comes with a simple elegant design with a similar to the iPhone 8. Battery. Lasts about the same as iPhone 8. Video playback is up to 13 hours. Video streaming online is up to 8 hours. Audio playback is up to 40 hours usage. The phone comes with 2000 mAh built-in rechargeable lithium-ion battery that lasts the whole day. Camera. The main camera is 12 megapixels wider with 1.8 aperture and digital zoom up to 5 times. Portrait mode with advanced bokeh and depth control effects. Next generation Smart HDR for photos. Auto image stabilization. Front camera. 7 megapixel camera of 2.2 aperture. Portrait lighting with 6 effects: natural, studio, contour, stage mono, high key mono. 1080p HD video recording at 30 fps. Video recording. 4K video recording at 24 or 30 and 60 frame per second. 1080 HD video recording at 30 and 60 frame per second. 720 HD video recording at 30 frame per second. Optical image stabilization for video. Digital zoom up to 3 times. Slow motion video supported for 1080 pixel at 240 frame per second. Chipset. The iPhone SE comes with the all-new A13 Bionic chipset, which is the same as what the iPhone 11 is having currently. Faster fingerprint scanner, stronger privacy, and heavy security are all integrated in the smartphone for best user experience. Other features of the smartphone include splash, water, and dust resistant. Maximum depth of 1 meter up to 30 minutes. And also it have barometer, 3-axis gyro, accelerometer, proximity sensor, and ambient light sensor. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more videos. Check out my other videos at the left and right side of the screen. Stay tuned for our next video.